Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this ScreenPal guide for 2026, I'll show you how to edit videos in ScreenPal. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, tutorials, online courses, presentations, business content, or social media clips, ScreenPal provides easy-to-use editing tools that can help improve your videos before publishing. So let's get started. First, sign in to your ScreenPal account and open the ScreenPal editor. If you've just finished recording a video, ScreenPal will usually open the editing workspace automatically. You can also upload an existing video if you want to edit previously recorded content. Once your video is loaded, you'll see the editing timeline. This is where you'll make adjustments, trim footage, and organize your content. Start by reviewing your video from beginning to end. Watch carefully and identify any mistakes, long pauses, unnecessary sections, or areas that need improvement. One of the most common editing tasks is trimming. Use the trim tool to remove unwanted content from the beginning or end of the video. Available sharing options. For the best results, focus on removing distractions, improving pacing, maintaining clear audio, and keeping your content concise and engaging. And that's how to edit videos in ScreenPal. By trimming footage, improving audio, adding visual elements, and reviewing your final project carefully, you can create professional-looking videos that are ready to share with your audience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.